In this video, we will discuss the methods and considerations when recording 200, 400 and 600 day weights for BREEDPLAN. These weights should be taken when the animals are aged between 80 and 900 days of age. The BREEDPLAN analysis determines whether the particular weight is analysed as a 200, 400 or 600 day weight, depending on the average age of the animals in the contemporary group when they were weighed. 200 day weights are taken when the animal is between 80 and 300 days of age. 400 day weights are taken when the animal is between 301 and 500 days of age. 600 day weights are taken when the animal is between 501 and 900 days of age. Please note that the animal does not need to be exactly 200, 400 or 600 days of age when the weight is collected. It must simply be within the required age range. There are a number of additional points for the beef producer who is recording weights for BREEDPLAN to consider. When collecting weights, please record them to the nearest kilogram. All weights recorded for BREEDPLAN should be collected using appropriate scales. Do not estimate or guess weights or use measuring tapes, for example girth tapes, to calculate weight. Weights should be taken properly or not recorded at all. We recommend that you choose weigh dates that fit in with your routine management practices. For example, you may decide to collect weights when you are bringing the calves into the yards for other reasons, such as marking or weaning. Try to select dates that are reasonably close to when the group of calves are around 200, 400 or 600 days of age, depending on the weight you're taking at the time. BREEDPLAN also provides suggested weigh dates to assist you with deciding when to record weights for each group of calves. BREEDPLAN can analyse up to 2 weights in each age range, i.e. 2 lots of 200 day weights, 2 lots of 400 day weights and 2 lots of 600 day weights per animal. While there is no requirement to collect multiple weights in each age range, a second weight can help to increase EBV accuracy. If you are taking 2 weights for each age range, please ensure that there is some time between them. A weight taken today and another tomorrow will not give the analysis much additional information. Instead, we recommend that the 2 weights are taken at least a month apart. For example, you may decide to take 2 200 day weights, one when the calves are around 150 days of age and another when they are around 200 days of age. A post-birth management group should be submitted along with the weight record for any calf or group of calves that have either been treated differently or where there are non-genetic factors that may have affected growth. Common examples include where calves have had differing levels of feed availability. For example, where some calves, such as show or sale animals, have been supplementary fed and others have not, or where calves are split into several mobs and grazing paddocks of different nutritional quality. Where some yearling bulls have been used for mating and others have not. Where an individual calf has been sick or ill and this has affected its growth. If you're unsure about whether you should assign a management group, please contact staff at BREEDPLAN, SBTS or TBTS. Further information is also available in the short video on recording post-birth management groups. To ensure that you maximise how many calves are analysed in the same group, you should try to weigh all the animals in a mob and/or management group on the same day. Please note that BREEDPLAN will automatically split animals weighed on different days into different groups in the analysis. Ideally, try to weigh calves when they are in as large a group as possible. Therefore, try and weigh calves before you need to split a management group or mob. For example, try to take a weight on all calves prior to separating the show or sale team from the rest of the mob, castrating a subset of your bull calves, or selling a subset of the calves. With many producers now calving down heifers at 2 years of age, there can be some uncertainty as to whether 600 day weights can be recorded from pregnant heifers. You can take 600 day weights from pregnant heifers. However, we recommend you try to do this before they are more than 3 to 4 months pregnant. Only submit 600 day weights on pregnant heifers that are more than 3 to 4 months pregnant if A, they have been preg tested and B, they are at a similar stage of pregnancy. In this situation, you should also ensure that any empty heifers are placed into a separate management group to those that are preg-tested in calf. A short video on recording performance data from pregnant heifers is also available for those wanting further information. 200, 400 and 600 day weights should be submitted to your BREEDPLAN processing centre. They can be submitted using any of the available BREEDPLAN submission methods, as outlined in the short video on submitting performance data to BREEDPLAN. For further information on recording weights, please see the BREEDPLAN tip sheet or check out the information in the BREEDPLAN Help Centre. Thanks to those who have provided images and video footage for us to use in the Recording for BREEDPLAN video series.